In the next 100 seconds, you're exactly going to learn how you create a WhatsApp chatbot that you can put on your website and that answers any questions about your business, chats with new leads about your business, and can actually book them right into your calendar if you want to. So you're going to create a button like this that is connected to an AI WhatsApp chatbot and that knows everything about your business and can book your appointments. All right, to get started, Google SetterAI or go to trysetter.com and click on Get Started. You will get to this free mask where you can enter your URL of your website and it will automatically find your company and your company name. Just click on Continue again. Now it will already find and summarize what your business does. You can of course edit this or edit this later as well, and you can add also optional Q&A questions about your business, like what is the cost, how fast do you see results, and so on. Now you can always edit this later, so I'm just gonna go and click on Continue, and in this step your AI chatbot will be created. Now this will be specifically an AI chatbot that can book you appointments. You don't need to use it to book appointments, but it has the ability to do. Now a chatbot has been created, standardized. This is a website bubble chatbot. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot specifically. So we're going to click on More Integrations, and we are going to select the WhatsApp integration inside the dashboard. So we go on Click to Playground, and now you're in your dashboard of your newly created AI chatbot. Now we are going to go over to integrations, and if you want your chatbot to book your appointments, you can connect your Calendly account, but you don't have to if you don't want that. Now we want to connect our WhatsApp account, so we're going to click on WhatsApp, and as you see, it's empty right now. Now, just for you to understand how WhatsApp works, if you want to have a completely AI automated chatbot, you have to get a new number for that chatbot. Meta is part of WhatsApp, and it treats WhatsApp accounts each as one number, and it treats like an AI also as a new number. So if you need to get a new number, just go ahead and click here on Get a WhatsApp number, and we will assist you with getting a WhatsApp number, or you can get one yourself. If you have a spare number lying around, if you have a spare SMS, a spare SIM card somewhere, you can just use that to verify your WhatsApp number. Now, then you're going to click on Import Business Account Data. You're going to need a Facebook business account for that. You're going to click on that. And here it will ask you, do you already have a number or not, right? Let's say we have a number, then we're going to go over to this mask here. And in this mask, it will guide us to connect our WhatsApp account to SetterAI. It's a very simple 5-step process. We're going to continue with our Facebook account and click on Get Started. And here, just go to this 5-step process, and it will guide you to either create a WhatsApp business account or to select an existing one and then to connect your WhatsApp number. Once you've connected that, you will see these fields here filled out with your phone number and with the WhatsApp business account data. Now, if you want to customize your chatbot even further, you can click on Settings. And here you will see your entire prompt of your WhatsApp chatbot. Now, this, as I said, is a prompt to specifically set you more meetings. So this is actually an AI chatbot that can sell your business to your customers and book you more meetings. You can also completely delete that and write your own prompt if you want to. Now there's just one more step left to create a WhatsApp button that lives on our website where people can immediately chat with us. And you're just gonna click on that link that I just showed you to go to our WhatsApp button generator. And here you can customize your button exactly as you want to. You can also upload a different image if you want to. That needs to be like a hosted image from your, for example, a WordPress website or a Webflow website. And here you edit your number, whatever number you have. And once you are done, you are going to click on generate button code, and then just copy the code and put it into your website code. And then just publish your website, and you will have this button live on your website. And once people click on it, it will automatically open WhatsApp and chat with your customers on WhatsApp and book your appointments if you want that. Thank you very much. The link to get started is in the bio below.